Hey folks, it's Sean McCormick, and I've got something very quick to show you in relation to getting two vertical images into one horizontal image for LRB Exhibition, just so that you can have two images on one page rather than just having a centered image with background visible either side. Not that that looks bad or anything, but I just think that it looks cooler when you have the two images together. So Lightroom doesn't allow you to do that in galleries normally, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the print module. So we're going to go to the print module. First of all, I click it properly. There we go. Print. Alright. So obviously this template is up for the last thing I did, but it isn't what we want. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to custom package. And what we need to do is we need to set up a page to be the way we want it. So we come down here and in print job we print to JPEG file, and in custom file dimensions we're going to stick in 9 inches by 6 inches, just so it gives us something reasonable size to work with. Alright, and of course we don't want our output to be huge, so we want it to be 100 ppi, which will, when it comes out, it will give us a 900 by 600 file. Okay, I'm going to leave the JPEG quality in 100 because we want it to be the best possible quality file we can have. So I need to throw in two cells. I'm just going to stick in two random cells. I'm not too pushed really. 6x4 and 6x4. So drop it up here, rotate cell, and then get rid of this page. So we have two cells which aren't quite the right size. So I want to lock aspect ratio, I want to take that off, and I want to make this 4.5, and then drag it across the whole way. And then the second cell, which I'm just going to select here. Where are we now? Second cell, 6 by 4.5 as well, because then that basically just allows us to completely fill the two pages. So we now have the two cells together. So what I'm going to do is drop this image in, as well. Now by holding the command or control key and then dragging inside the actual cell, you can actually balance the thing. You have to select the cell first and then you can control click to move it, or command click. So I kind of balance up the way I want, and just going to pull this down slightly actually. So then what you do is, when that bit's done, you can go print a file. So I'm just going to save this to my desktop for now. Desktop. So I call it Anita1. So that's saved. Now before I go look at that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you something while this is rendering. This is obviously really useful and it can be used over and over again. So what you need to do is come down here and go LRB 2 into 1. Great. So there we go. We've got that saved now, and if you want to use it again, it's here, LRB 2 into 1. So you can just call it up and drop images in as you need. So just going to quickly jump to my desktop. See, Anita1 is there. And if I view this in column mode, you can see that it's 900 by 600. Now obviously then the next thing you need to do is to import that into Lightroom to use in your collection, which you're going to use for LRB Exhibition. Hopefully that'll help and get some nicer looking views in LRB Exhibition websites.